everyone, this is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So today is for doing the tutorial for this elegant mini album set because I got a request on making this one. So I'm going to do the tutorial for this one. And before that, I want to just let you know that we are going to have the sale for the Black Friday and both on Amazon and on AliExpress, so please check our store. So that is the thing. And also I have another project that I want to share with you before that tutorial. So this is a new die in the store. It's a memory deck die, and you have these parts to make your calendars or countdowns, and this is the one that I made. So you have like these numbers on like a calendar, Christmas countdown, or other things that I think is super cute. So for these numbers, I used this set. This is the Christmas calendar number set. So you run through the machine one time and you got all the 31 numbers in one pass. So this is very useful, and it's sold out on Amazon now. Yeah, we will restock them very soon. You can order it on AliExpress if you want it. I will show the link in the description box below. So this is the one that I made. If you need a tutorial on this, I will do it as soon as possible. So just let me know if you want that. And then let's focus on this mini album set. I didn't show it in previous video. Yeah. But let me show you what this die set includes. So this is the front side of your mini album. That this creates the basic page of your mini album, and this one is creating the layering piece for your mini album so you can decorate your album. And this one actually creates the shaker part on front of your album. And there is also a handheld miller shaker set here, and you have all these tiny flowers to decorate. And both these parts are all for decorating this handheld mini miller. And this is the ones to create the sponge, and this is to create the connection part for the inside frame, inside album page. So these are how they are made and designed for. I haven't finished my album, sorry, but because I made this sponge I made it as the whole, and so you can see with this you can make so many pages inside. And yeah, I have a problem with my album because the papers I used is very fragile. Yeah, it's not very thick, and it just tear apart after I add so many decorations inside. So I have to, that's the main reason that I have to quit on this album. And I make this shaker part here, and I add the falala here to decorate, and I think it's super cute to make this front as a shaker part. And for this part, because I want to make it into a 3-tone pattern, so for this one I just fussy cut it. So when you have it, you don't have this layering piece. I just fussy cut it around this edge, so make it into a 3-tone layering part. But without this part, you can just only cut this basic part and then layer this layering piece on your album, and that is also okay, and it's also beautiful because of the tone I made here. So I want to make it in as the same way of like this style, so I made them into 3 tones. Yeah, that will be also a lot of work to do, but you can see here, that's so cute, right? This this shape of this album is very elegant. And yeah, this is the whole thing you can create. So let me check for you. You can actually create 12 pages inside of this album as the utmost pages in this album. But if you don't want to create so much, you can just cut this spine a little off, like you can cut it in here, and then you only need to create like 6 pages. And if you cut it down here, then you only need to create 3 pages. So it's up to you. And yeah, just so you know, you don't need to make such big album. Yeah, you can choose how many pages you want just by cut off this piece. So let me show you how to make this one. So I have cut these out, and just to make you an example, so I didn't cut many of this one. And this is the basic part, and this is the layering piece. And then you can cut it with this front side part for your shaker, and this is the shaker part, and this is the one that it fell out, and I find it elegant. And you can use it as a card front, or like this, like a tag or something like that. But you can also use it here. I choose to use it here. And then for this acetate paper, you need to fussy cut acetate paper to cover the front side of your shaker. So that's the thing you need to do without the dies. And then here are the other 2 parts that I made. So first, to glue this layering piece on top of your basic part. And then layer this part on top of it. So if you don't want to make it in our shaker front, you can just skip this part. Just decorate your mini album as what you want to do. So this is just an option for you to make it into a shaker or not. And then stick the acetate paper on back side of this front. Oh, I want to decorate this piece here, so I will put it in. And then it's the time to add the sequins inside. Yeah, my favorite part. I like to add in shaker sequins. So the front side is ready, and because in my opinion is that this space is very large, and it makes me feel this front page seems a little, how to say that, empty or that. So yeah, I will add some ephemeras or add stickers or things like that to decorate the front side, just like what I did in my previous album. Yeah, I add this falala here, and I think that is very cute. Yeah, I'm thinking of adding some words here to decorate the front side. Yeah, you can choose to make your own decorations here. So this is how to make the front side of this album. And that's to make this part. So for this part is easier that if you want to make your album with less pages, you can just trim off this part to make less pages, or make it as the utmost of this page. Is just up to you. And this is a part that to make the connection part, and it's like this. You fold it in this line, 1, 2 in the second line, and then fold this back, fold at this first line back, and then for this third line also folds here. See, it creates this connection part. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. For the fourth part, you need to fold it like this. And then for the fifth line, you need to fold it like this. So when it works like this. See here? Yeah. So just make sure when you fold these lines, it works like this. So with this one, you can create 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. And then you need to glue this part together. So this is when it finished. It looks like this, and then you stick it here. And then you can do it over and over to make the pages, to make this connection part. And then stick this part here to make the sponge. And then for the inside album pages, just stick them here to make the inside pages. Sorry, I didn't cut that page yet. Yeah, because since this sponge is very big, and yeah, so just you know it will work like this. So this is the tutorial for today. I just doing the basic part for this album, yeah, to give you an idea of how to make this album using this die set. So if you have any questions, or if you are not clear with this tutorial, just leave me comment. I will do it more precisely, no, more clearly, if you are still not clear with that. Yeah, so this is my tutorial today. And yeah, don't forget about the big sale on both Amazon and AliExpress. Most of the products will be on sale. So that's all for it today. And thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye bye.